Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Ariana, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on my Sunday reset routine. Hi, babies. Hi. I love starting off my mornings with walking my dogs. It's nice to get some fresh air and be present in the moment. What is up, you guys? Good morning. I just had my herbs with my coffee, and I'm gonna take you guys along today, just what I do on a Sunday. It is different every Sunday. Sometimes I have like a lot of work to do, or I can actually have time to plan for the week, prepare for the week, and set myself up for success. Cheers. So here I'm actually doing my yoga on Sundays. I take a break from going to the gym, and I just like to stretch, do some yoga, and just prepare myself for the week. But yep. I just hopped out of the shower. I washed my hair. I actually only wash my hair twice a week because my hair doesn't really get that oily all the time. So twice a week, and then shaved everything, you know what I mean? So I pretty much do that on Sundays. I always wash my hair Sundays, and then like in the middle of the week, I only do it twice a week. Haven't had my lashes done, so I feel like a naked rat. And now we wait for it to dry, and we'll see how it looks. Usually I look like a lion, so what I like to do is turn on my candles, my diffuser, and put on like some personal development, usually like Bob Proctor or something, but I'm listening to Outweighing the Devil right now, so I'm gonna play that. Alright, so I just cleaned my desk, so I have my scrunchie here. My crystals, I actually had a bunch of these, but I lost it. I had a backpack, and they were all in there, and I lost my crystals, so I think it was for a reason, but just bought 2 new ones, and I feel super connected to those. And I'm just hiding the wires under there. I broke my chair, so I have this for now. Yeah. Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning my room. I just started putting things away, making it more organized. Now I'm gonna vacuum, and then I'm gonna do my laundry. I have to do this stuff over here, and then I honestly have another one over there. About to do some vacuuming, and yeah. It's been a super productive morning so far. I wanted to ask you guys a question. Drop down below what you guys do on Sundays. Like, I kind of just want to see what everybody else does. I also had to change shirts because the other one was like falling. This angle, what is it? I don't know. So I ate some lunch. I had some tamales. My mom makes tamales. Since I'm vegan, she puts like potatoes, chickpeas, like jalapenos, like all these veggies in there. It's so good. I promise, so good, so good. And just got back to messages. Like I said, I haven't really been on my phone, so I had to get back to messages, reach out to people and all that fun stuff. I think it's like almost 2 o'clock right now. So I'm about to plan my week and my month since it is August 1st. So this is my planner. I will show you guys what it is downstairs. But this is how I plan out my months. Alright, so yo, let me know if y'all like kombucha. This is legit my favorite flavor. It's the guava. I don't get any other flavor. This one and then the blue one. Those are my 2 faves. I was outside planning my week, planning my month, everything like that. I do kind of want to show you guys how I do this. It's really nothing crazy at all. So like I have to pay this bill today, and then I have upload Sunday, and then video ideas. So what kind of videos? Pretty much I just have like pay for my car the 4th, my eyelash appointment. We have a new launch for our business this Friday, and then I have a call with somebody that's every single Friday. Don't miss that. Uploading video, then I have to upload a reel, things like that. So that's pretty much what I have. I didn't finish this yet, but I pretty much just have like in little like posting reels, uploading trainings. I have trainings on Wednesdays. I need to do more of these. So I'm going to Texas this week. So I wrote down SummerSlam. Okay, so that's what I have for just the month. I am going to show you what I do for the week. Honestly, same thing, nothing crazy. Alright guys, so I do want to show you guys what I do for the week and how I plan my week. This is more of my goals, not my planning of the week, but I'm going to be planning my week as well, and I will be showing you that too. So first is my personal goals. I have I only do 3 for now, and then I just like do more throughout the week. Trading goals. And then I have my impact goals, which is pretty much for my business. I'm going to cover that one. That is how I plan it. And then I do actually go into Google Calendar, and I do plan it that way as well. I have not done that yet, but I will keep you updated after I do that. Love you now. Alright, we're getting a car wash right now. My mom's driving because I wanted to film, so I don't want to drive and do the car wash. That would be dangerous. Right, Mom?
Yes, you are right.
Every time I go to the car wash, I feel like I'm in a concert for like 3 minutes. What is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. Today is an amazing day. So me and my mom are actually about to go grocery shopping right now. I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna shop for the week, and yeah, so let's get it.
Hi, we are shopping our grocery for the whole week.
Alright, so we're back now from grocery shopping. Are you gonna be my video or what? Alright, what is up you guys? We just got back from the store and then we actually did go get ramen. So that was cool, but I'm about to show you guys what we got. We got some spinach. We got some roasted garlic hummus. I've never had this, so I'm excited. Kombucha. Then we got broccoli, bananas. We got strawberries. We got some oat milk. We usually get the almond milk, but we got this one today. And we got some almond dark chocolate cashews. And then we got some avocados. Got some marinara sauce. We got some chickenless patties. Haven't tried those yet. I'm excited. We got some long grain wild rice. Got some mangoes, oranges, cherries. We got some oats and flax, oatmeal, red lentil pasta. I'm excited. This is 21 grams of protein. Got zucchini. Here's zucchini. Broccoli stir fry. Green beans. We got chips for the hummus. We got some tortillas. I've never tried these low carb tortillas. Watermelon. Cauliflowers. And then some vegan cheese. I don't really even like cheese, but we'll see how this goes. Blueberry. We got some peppers, tomatoes. It is now 7 o'clock. My laundry is done, so I'm about to put my sheet on here, put some of my clothes away, and then I'm going to go and eat a snack and read a little bit and just chill, and then, you know, later do a face mask, do some self-care. Leo. I grabbed this from my brother's room. Shh.
Love you now.
Alright guys, so I'm about to do a face mask. Let me know what your guys' favorite face masks are. Alright guys, that is gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Sunday reset routine, and stay blessed. Remember that you can be, do, and have whatever you want, because you can become more than who you are. So peace out. I'll see you in the next one.